Okay, so what we got going on here is I'm going to modify this bracket in Solidworks. And this Solidworks that I use here is when you're a veteran, you get it for like $200 a year instead of paying 10 grand for it. But anyway, it gives all the features that I need. I'm not running any Tormach machines or anything like that. But anyway, here's the bracket for the Airhat that I need to modify. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find this guy over here in the tree, right? And I'm just going to delete the extrude so I can see my drawing on it. So then I'm going to come over here to this sketch right here. I'm going to edit this sketch and click on it, and I should be able to move, whoops, wrong way, right there. That's where I want to be. Click OK. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to delete this sketch right here. I'm also going to lower the extrude in here to 4.5. Got it. And extrude, edit. Drop this to 4.5. Good. Okay. So now I got the bolt holes lower, so my threads will stick out a little farther on the quarter 20 bolt into the Airhat. And we'll go from there. So now I'm going to file, save, and then file, save as, change it over to an STL so I can send it to the printer. I'm just going to call it, I'm going to put it in, and I got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Throttle bodies. Latest revisions, right there. Just overwrite that one. Overwrite it. Yep. See you later. Goodbye. Now I'm going to switch over to my software for printing on the printers downstairs. This is a small printer. This is the X Max. It's actually not small. Throttle body's latest revision, Airhat bracket. There it is right there. Drop it on the plate. It's going to automatically center it. So I'm going to turn it this way and make sure I've got support just touching the build plate. And I'm going to do 100% infill, and I'm using ABS temperatures right now, which if you look at, it's 240 and 110 on the base plate Celsius. So now I'm going to hit slice. It's going to take 5 hours and 31 minutes and 35 grams of material. I'm going to do a little layer look at it, see how this thing is built. It helps to have a good video card when you got SolidWorks and QIDI print. But anyway, you can see it starts. It does support material on the blue right there, and the blue on the inside comes up, hits the shelf, and finishes the shelf, and then heads up. Everything you can see is 100% infill, so it's extremely strong bracket. So now I'm going to save this to the disk, and there it is right there. I'm going to delete this just in case. And Airhat bracket, and save. Send it, buddy. And now I'll go downstairs and load that into the printer and wait for 5 hours to pass, and then I'll get back on Ed's Airhat for him. So hope you guys enjoyed this. We'll look into SolidWorks and to QIDI's print software. So anyway, there you go. Peace out.